I'm excited to be part of the manufacturing process because this is really a whole new world for Cardinal Health. Our industry is definitely expanding and growing with many new players and products coming to market.
What's important to remember is this is one of our key areas of expertise. Our capabilities in this area are absolutely outstanding when you look at the folks that we have, whether it be from regulatory, FDA, the NRC, to our technicians on the line. This is an area where we have significant experience.
Manufacturing is a core strength for Cardinal Health. We've been doing it for 25 years. And we are now the only U.S. manufacturer present in all product categories commercially. Whether you think of it in terms of diagnosis or therapeutic, whether you think of it in terms of high energy or low energy, we're everywhere.
It's great to be at the forefront of that and to solve the problems not only for the innovators, but to bring these new drugs to the patients.
There's a lot of exciting therapies that are coming out, new isotopes being used, new drugs being developed, and we can play a critical role in bringing those to market and bringing those solutions to patients who need them.
Why choose Cardinal Health to manufacture their drug entity? Because we know what we're doing. We started this industry in 1972, centralized radiopharmacy. And we rapidly rose to be the largest purchaser of radiopharmaceuticals, and today we're one of the largest manufacturers of radiopharmaceuticals. So it just makes sense that an innovator with a novel new compound would want to connect with the leader in the industry to take their drug forward to success.
Cardinal provides a nice one-stop shop for innovators in nuclear medicine. Because of our vast experience with regulatory filings and nuclear manufacturing, we can help them go from idea through to final manufacturing, and also then have access to distributing their product throughout the United States.
In one sense, our customers are biotech firms or pharmaceutical firms who are bringing their drugs to market. We solve their problem of how they get their drug to market. We help solve their problem of manufacturing the drug, of distributing the drug, of going that last mile, that last step to the patient. And that's a place where some of the pharmaceutical companies really struggle or don't have an expertise. We bring that expertise.
Cardinal Health Nuclear Manufacturing runs the gamut. We've got 31 PET manufacturing sites that make very short-lived batches of FDG, sodium fluoride, or N13 ammonia. Literally, the batch today is gone within a few hours. Moving up the timeline to I-123 with a long 13.2-hour half-life out of Aurora, Colorado. 4 days a week, those pills are manufactured in one central point in the U.S. and distributed to our pharmacies in 45 states. Think of the logistics challenge, but we do it.
I think it's really getting involved from the ground up. We've manufactured several different clinical trials over the past 5 to 10 years, and getting in from the ground up with a drug manufacturer is key, because once that drug gets to commercialization, Cardinal Health has been involved from the beginning.
Once the product is approved, this doesn't leave us. We now are following the safety history of the product through its commercial life, and also updating all the filing requirements that are with the agency, typically the FDA. So really, the product only leaves us when it retires. I used to say it's like the child that never left the house. You can look at the product and say, we've developed you well. You successfully graduated through validations. Now you go commercial. Go and be distributed across the space. Inject yourself in new populations.
I mean, we're more than a nuclear pharmacy. We're more than a manufacturing nuclear division. We're a little of everything, and we're not afraid to reach our hand out, grab something else, and move this business. I think at the same time, we've kept one thing in common. We have done the best thing for patient care, and it continues to be. Patients are our best thing, and we deliver on time, and we deliver a great product to the patient. I think that's what makes nuclear cool.
And in the end, we're able to really offer a white glove service of delivery, making sure that the right dose gets to the right patient on time, and then can even follow up with reporting, data, sales, and marketing capabilities.
When I came 8 years ago to Cardinal Health, the question I would get is, can you do? Can you do this? Can you do that? But today, the question we get more often is, how would you? And if you think about it, this is not just a change of syntax, it's a change of perspective on Cardinal Health. It's moving from just, quote unquote, a manufacturer to a true partner, a solution provider.
I think at the end of the day, what the partner really looks for, it's really the people. I look at all our manufacturing facilities, it's the people. It's the drive to do it right for them. It's that drive that we've always had at Cardinal Health to get the right dose to the patient at the right time, always done at the highest quality possible.
Why I'm excited about this opportunity and manufacturing and therapeutics in the marketplace is because this is the future. This is where the growth is. This is where people are doing innovation, is in the therapeutics, and we're able to participate in a big way. We can manufacture, we can dispense, we can deliver. There's no end to what we can do.